adverbs of manner. By the end of this video, you will be learning what is an adverb of manner, their basic rules, and how to use them. An adverb of manner tells us how an action takes place. It answers the question how. For example, in the sentence, the sun shines brightly, the word brightly is an adverb. It tells us how the sun shines. It describes the action shines. Another example, she paints beautifully. In the sentence, the word beautifully is an adverb. It answers the question, how does she paint? It describes the verb paints. The words brightly and beautifully are called adverbs of manner because they answer the question how. Most adverbs of manner end in ly. We often add ly to adjectives to make them adverbs. Adjectives like quiet becomes quietly, loud becomes loudly, slow becomes slowly. Here, we just add ly to the adjectives. But if the word ends in y, like the word happy, we change the y to I and add ly. Similarly, angry becomes angrily, easy becomes easily. Some adverbs don't follow the usual rules. For example, fast stays fast. It doesn't change. And hard stays hard. Also, the adjective good changes to the adverb well. Example, she is a fast runner. Here, fast is an adjective that describes the noun runner. It tells us what kind of runner she is. She runs fast. Here, fast is an adverb that describes the verb runs. It tells us how she runs. She is a good singer. Here, the adjective good describes the noun singer. It tells us what kind of singer she is. She sings well. Here, we cannot say she sings good. We say she sings well. The adverb well describes the verb sings. It tells us how she sings. Now, let's see some common patterns for adverbs of manner. Verb plus adverb, verb plus object plus adverb, adverb plus verb, adverb at the beginning of the sentence. Let's see some examples for each pattern. Verb plus adverb. Example, he drives carefully. The adverb carefully comes directly after the verb drives. It describes how he drives. Verb plus object plus adverb. When there is an object, the adverb usually comes after the object. Example, she closed the door gently. In this sentence, the adverb gently comes after the object door, which comes after the verb closed. The adverb gently describes how the door was closed. Adverb plus verb. Example, I gently touched the puppy. In this sentence, the adverb gently comes before the verb touched. The adverb gently describes how I touched the puppy. Adverb at the beginning of the sentence. This pattern is often used in writing or storytelling to add style or emphasize an action. Example, suddenly the lights went off. In this sentence, the adverb suddenly comes at the beginning to emphasize the unexpectedness or surprise of the action. So remember, adverbs of manner answer the question, how does someone do something? Most of them end in ly. Some don't follow the rules like fast, hard, and well. They usually come after the verb or after the object. Hope you had fun learning with us today. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Kidzpedia. Let's meet again in our next video. Bye bye.